Learn how to make a simple beanie with this easy tutorial. You can wear this hat with the bottom folded up or flat, whichever you prefer. This tutorial requires a stretch knit fabric. You can download the free pattern for this tutorial by following the link in the description below. With right sides together, fold the hat along 1/3 and sew the upper dart. Then you want to repeat the previous step with the dart on the other side of the hat. Repeat those steps for the second half of your hat, so that now you have two sides of your hat pieces. With right sides together, sew the front and back of the hat. Fold up 3 inches on the inside at the base of the hat and sew. Then turn the hat to the right side. You can wear it as is, or fold up the bottom edge like a cuff. And that's it, you are finished.